In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scatter plots on Visme. If you've ever wanted to present data in a clear and visually engaging way, scatter plots are an excellent choice. They allow you to see relationships between variables and present them graphically. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to Visme's Scatterplot Maker tool. This is specifically designed to help you create stunning scatter graphs. Whether you are starting from scratch or modifying an existing visual piece, Visme offers templates tailored for various needs, so you won't need to start with a blank slate unless you really want to. Once you've decided how you want to begin, adding your scatterplot to a Visme project is straightforward. If you're already working within a project, such as an infographic or a presentation, you can seamlessly insert a scatter chart through the Data menu and select Charts and Graphs, or find a similar data tool based on the editor you're using. Alternatively, if you prefer to create your scatterplot as a standalone element, you can use the Scatterplot Maker. Once your plot is ready, you can embed or insert it wherever you like in your project. With your scatterplot open, it's time to input your data. Move over to the Chart Data section of the editor. Here, you'll enter your x-axis values in one row or column and your y-axis values in another. This is the core of your scatter plot. If your data involves multiple series or variables, no worries. You can easily add those in additional rows, allowing for comparisons or tracking trends over time. If you already have your data organized in a Google Sheet or Excel file, you can import that directly to save time and reduce errors. Now, on to customizing the axes. Within the Settings tab of the Chart Editor, labeling your axes is crucial for clarity. Make sure to specify that these labels are numerical rather than text to produce a genuine scatter plot rather than a simple dot chart. This feature might seem minor, but it provides your data with the correct proportion and scale. You can also adjust font styles, axis label styles, and additional formatting to match your project's overall design aesthetic. Styling your data points is where you can let your creative side shine. Use the color picker to change the color of each series or individual dot, making sure your data stands out or follows branding requirements. If you've got a third variable to display, you can do so by mapping it to the size of the dots, increasing their size to indicate larger values or other criteria. This adds depth and insight to your data visualization. Finally, don't forget to customize the background, grid, and any other visual elements to ensure that your scatter plot is not only informative, but also aesthetically pleasing. By now, you should have a fully functional scatter plot that's ready to impress. Whether it's for a board meeting, a classroom, or an online article, your dynamic and well-customized scatter plot is set to deliver your data effectively. Happy plotting!